Getting a great mortgage is extremely important for just about anyone, but you need to know what to do in order to make it happen. It's not going to be super easy to get a new job or improve your credit history length, but that doesn't mean all is lost. There are still things that you can try. You may not succeed with all of them, but knowledge is going to be a major part of the process. First up, you should know that there are a lot of different kinds of mortgages. There are different interest rates, fees, and flexibilities in each of them too. And all of that will impact just how long it takes you to pay off that loan and how much it will cost you to do it. When it comes to interest, you could have a fixed, floating, or combination option. You could also have choices in repayment structure. If all of that isn't enough to make you dizzy, I don't know what is. So let's look a little closer. You want to think about how you're doing financially before you pick the mortgage you want. From there, you'll be able to look at the different offers that are available to you. Not only that, but you can make a better decision about the right offer because you'll have a good foundation. Important red flags. If you have a lot of debt, it makes it harder for you to pay back your loan. Even if you think that you're going to be fine, a lender may be unwilling to work with you. Having multiple credit cards might mean you should consolidate debt. Having a high limit that you don't reach could be improved by lowering your limit. Consolidating multiple personal loans is another way to improve your red flags. You want to make sure that you prove you can pay back a loan. Your loan underwriter is not going to want to see newly deposited money that seems to come out of nowhere. Since your down payment can come from someone else, they need to prove where that money came from. They need to know about your assets and about your cash flow. All of these things are going to be verified to make sure you can afford your house. Make sure that all of your assets are going to be in your account long before you apply for a mortgage. And make sure that everything you have is reasonably based on the amount of money that you earn. On top of that, you're going to want to look at your history of employment. The longer you've been with the company you're currently employed with, or at least in the same industry, the better it's going to look for you. Any strange aspects of your financial records are going to be important as well. Make sure you can account for everything and work out the problems before you're asked to by an underwriter. Look for an institution that will pre-qualify or pre-approve you before you get started. That way, you can get a good idea of whether you're in good shape or not. And that's it for now. On our website, you can find more posts, as well as calculators and other financial tools. If you consider to apply for a mortgage, we would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them with us in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube to get more free financial educative videos.